travels on these streets. They say you have a lot of game, Jack. They say you got these bitches turning all sorts of gymnastics for you. But all along I'm hearing this. I'm wondering why they ain't turning no tricks for you and bring you no real bread.
That's me going to one of my favorite stores. That's Lowe's right there. Go in here and return this little gift, this little box right here. Return this joint. See what they talking about.
Are you looking to return?
Yes.
Our customer service.
Thank you. You had to. Well, maybe he just didn't know. He said, figured it was easier to go on this side than anywhere else. Cause there ain't no cutting tools over here. Well, it could be on here, so start right here. Can you get in there with one of these? Or does it gotta be a string?
No, I know how to get in there with him.
What's this thing let me turn it around when I wanted to turn around? It won't let me turn around. One way only. They gotta do better. They gotta do better. Yeah, we just running through Lowe's trying to find this part to get Lorenzo his truck back on the road. You know, he changing the fuel pump, and he got one. You know how it is. They get rusty and get that one bolt that don't come off. You know. Check out the gear, you know, we still rocking. It's one of them old joints. But we still doing it like that though. But we're gonna work it out though.
What's your name?
What? I don't know. You
gotta cut through the screw?
It will cut through the screw. It cut through that shit. It will cut through the screw.
Yeah, that's all I need.
That's all they need. You think you better get in there with that?
Yeah. It's long.
What about like this? No, that's too thick, too thin.
Oh, yeah, I think that might
Too small.
I don't know if I should go look first.
That's a thin one. I think that's the same thing as that. That's thin right there. You might, but I don't know if you can grab it with your hand and actually make a cut. I think that goes on something like this here.
What? Yeah.
That one right there.
These come with it.
Yeah. Shit, if it don't work, bring it back. That's what I say. If it don't work, bring it back.
This shit has to be steel.
It's gonna bend enough for you to get in there, right?
Yeah, no, all I gotta do is cut the bolt. All I gotta do is get there. I got about this much room. I got enough room. I just need to get in there. But you think that should work?
I think so.
Yeah, I just need to get in there.
You seen it, so if you feel like you can, if you feel like you grab it in your hand, you must feel like it's gonna work.
Oh, come on.
What y'all think? You think it's gonna work? Is it the left? Is it the left? Is it the left one or the right one? The driver's side. That might work though.
Yeah, it has to work.
Cause I don't think they make a string though. Not here. That'd probably be a special order for that string to come in. You got to order from somewhere, or it's look in their knives, they survival kits. Because remember, they used to sell them in the survival kits.
Yeah, that's what somebody was. That's what
You might can find it in that survival kit. We got to figure if they. I mean, this is Menards. They got it. Well, this ain't Fleet Farm. Fleet Farm usually have them.
Oh, they might have. Slow down. Rush.
Well, I ain't rushing to your thing.
No, I said I'm rushing.
No.
They might have.
And they got a Fleet. I think they got a Fleet Farm out here. I don't know. I like that DeWalt heavy, and then with all that DeWalt. Mm-hmm. Oh, excuse me. No problem. I mean, yeah. That's what this is what that reciprocating saw does. I mean, I got one of those, but it ain't a power. I mean, it ain't. It's a corded one.
Yeah, but corded ain't got one. It ain't got a power.
Can you do it with that? I mean, do you got enough space to get that in there? Cause that machine is about yay long. You know what I'm saying? That machine is about this like. Actually, here go the machine right here.
I don't know how much space it is. I don't even lie.
Cause you can get a long piece. What's that? A scraper. Okay.
But and another thing that I was thinking, I just, if anything else, I just jump straight through the screw.
Is the bolt head on the top or the bottom?
I just jump straight through the middle. Screw.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I take care of the rest once I get it down. You know what I'm saying?
This will work too. You get a cutter like that.
You got one of them?
I got the machine that'll do it, but I ain't got no cutter. It's a chisel. You put that on that. You put it on there.
Yeah. You got a chisel.
It ain't corded. It's corded though. That's the bad thing about it. It's corded.
Okay.
You gotta have power for it.
Oh, you can't use a regular drill?
Not for that, no. Cause that goes for a hammer drill. I ain't got no hammer. I don't have. I had one, but I sold it. But I don't have the hammer drill I got is an SD hammer drill. That's what that is, and I ain't got no power for it. We gotta figure out. That's why I need to buy that power bank. That power bank right here is like that power bank like that $200 right there. Yeah.
I'm wondering. I just saw the motherfucker out. I ain't got time.
Cause this right here, if I had this and put some batteries on it,
I just.
and that turns into a battery. So like if you got a corded, got a corded piece, you put it. No, this one don't do it. This one don't do it. This one don't do it. They got the ones where you got. If you get the other one, this one should do it, but it don't. See, I'm glad I didn't buy it because the original one you supposed to be able to use the power out. This is a 4. It's supposed to be able to use the power to go out. That one don't do it. So I got to order the right one. But this is the one I was telling you about right here that I got. But you still need the cord though. I mean, Corey said he got one without it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. He said he got one. He said he got one with battery power.
Okay.
He said he gonna bring it tomorrow.
Dremels and shit. I got a Dremel, but like I said, all that shit all of it got cords on it. Yeah, I believe that. You ain't got no choice. Gotta get it together. All right, we go out the front. I wanted to see them. It was on the front side up there. I wanted to see them DeWalt. I want to give me another cord. I need another cord. For my. Yeah, $25. You get everything with that. You get everything.
And you get drill bit. See, look, I just need any drill bit. I just need to go through there.
I got any drill bit. I mean, you said any drill bit. You said any drill bit.
I just need. Well, I gotta see what cut through this screw. I use anyone that'll cut through there. I'm telling you.
Well, I swear, if I wasn't a DeWalt fan, I definitely mess with that Milwaukee or that Craftsman. Because Craftsman is, I mean, they always had Sears, always had Craftsman. But look at that. That whole little joint right there. I wish DeWalt did have one of those. But that'd be with me on the job site right there. That piece right there be on the job site. Look at that. Yes, sir.
Everything.
Yep. It's about 149 for that whole little whoop. The DeWalt whoop gonna be way more than that. Way more than that. Yeah, Lowe's don't have that much. I mean, they got DeWalt stuff, but not a lot. They don't have a lot. They don't have a lot, but it is what it is. Are you gonna get the 15? Where you go? Are you gonna get the 15? Here I go. I'm right here, bro. I think it's on the corner up there. I'm gonna go look around that corner right quick. I want to see what's on that cart right quick. See Cobalt jumping up there too. Oh my goodness! I just want a whole kit like this. You know what I'm saying? I want a whole little whoop. But I mean, I would have to change my whole thing. I do like that blue though, Cobalt blue. Cobalt blue, yeah. Cobalt, right there. Get you some. I do like that blue. Hey. I mean, look at that. See, DeWalt need a case like this. See, they got the blood and the crypt boxes, 2 boxes. Pick your color, man. What you gonna be? Dion picked green. He picked green. I got yellow. That blue hard though. That blue hard. Y'all caught me picking my nose. You know, my lips dry. It's Minnesota. It's cold outside. Of course, my lips gonna be dry. I need to get me a ladder. Not today, though. Not today. I think it's right here. Right here. Yeah. I like this little stand. But I don't know what I want to get because I mean, this right here is it's hard to wear when you putting your regular clothes on. When you got your regular clothes on, it's kind of hard to wear because they stand out so much. But I do want one for my radio, and I think it would be this. No, I want the longest one though. I want the longest one. That's a 6 foot. That's 3-in-1, 6 foot CB. That's a 4 foot.
16.
They go a 10 foot. That's a micro. I got that one already. Where? That's a 10 foot. That's for the. I want it for my radio. I got that one already. I got that one. What's this? Event. Nope. This is a 10 foot.
What's the name for your radio?
This is it. No, I got that one already. Cause my it's this one. It's the one with the big mouth on it. Nope, that's not it. It's got a bigger mouth on it. It's not the. It's kind of like.
What kind of radio you got?
It's that See, look at it. It says there. That's got to be it. No, that's that little mouth. See, they got that round mouth on it. It's not an Android. It's a JBL. That JBL speaker.
Yeah, it's a new Android. It's the new like that.
No, this is iPhone charger.
It's probably this one.
I want to see the other one.
Is it like this? Is it like this? Look, man. Look. Is it like that?
Yeah, the big one.
That's it. Listen.
That's it?
Let's see. USB-C. That's it.
It's the longest one?
I don't know.
That's what you got as a C?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're switching from the micro to the C.
Cable for lightning. What's that? I don't know what that is.
Apple.
It says cable though. 2-port workstation charger.
All you gotta do is pick that up and let it tell you.
No, I'm talking about this one.
Oh, that's what's up.
All right, Cleo. Look on the bottom.
You plug it
I think
in.
you plug it. It's a on the bottom.
You
Turn into a
charge
USB. So you can plug your this. It's a block, a wall block.
it outside. USB charge. Okay, you charge it. You can charge your phone. And then you charge this too.
How much is that one? Give me that. Put this one back. I can always get a C. So this right here is a charger. No, it's a fast charger block. It's a charger block. You can do two.
Well, I thought it was.
It's a charger block. No, you can't. It don't charge by itself. It's a charger block.
I thought it said it.
Yeah, I want this. So that I don't have to use my I can do two at one time instead of just one, instead of using that yeah. This right here works. I'll come back for the other one. Cause I got two already. DeWalt tough. So I can plug two in, and I got two right now. I really want that, but I ain't ready to spend it. I'm not ready to spend the $39 going down. I got these already. I ain't ready for that to go down. Cause these right here take the small ones right there, the small set right there. So I got that so I can plug the phone up at the same time. But I need this though. Let me get this though. It's okay. Lowe's is okay. Catch it a little bit.